Hi viewers, welcome back to my channels, and I am here with another video. And in today's video I'm going to talk about the starting issue of this genset. When I press the starting button, the engine is moving and it get the around about 80 to 85 rpm, not more than this one. So for starting this genset it needs more than 100 rpms, but this time it not getting the 100, it getting the less than 100 rpms. So maybe problem in the engines or in the starter motor. So it is easy for me. First I remove this starter motor and I check maybe problem in the starter motor. I just 2-3 make a round, so in this alternator, this starter motor become too much hot. It is, I couldn't easily touch it, it's too much hard. So maybe problem in the engine is taking too much load, or problem in the this starter motor. So first I remove this starter motor and check it outside, maybe problem in the starter motor. If starter motor okay, after it I will check the engine. To remove this alternator, so okay, I already have removed the connections. Only is not too much difficult. This only one wire is here and this one ground wire is here. Okay, so downside this starting wire is 1 volt and only 3 bolts are here, 1, 2 and 1 is upside here. Okay, I remove these bolts, and after my starter will be free, and I will take it to my workbench. Then I will open it and check inside why this is getting too much hot. So here you can see I have removed this starter motor outside and I'm going to check it. You can see what is the issue. Maybe this problem I will show you. So I feel its sound is a little very strange in the back side. Okay, and it's running good. Here is its problem, and it's also become very hot. So it's running okay, it's a problem no running, but it's one, its speed is very slow. Secondly, its sound is coming on the this back side. I will dismantle it and then check. So you can see I have brought this starter motor to my workbench. So now I'm going to dismantle it. Okay, first here is the carbon brushes are here, so I remove this plate and also I remove from here. Okay, so as you can see I have removed this bolt from here, 1 2 3 4, okay, and 5 downside. So I removed the bolt. You can see this bolt I removed from this side. I will pull this one, and also I removed the, you can say, 1 bolt from here, so it completely go out. And also I removed this cover. Also these 4 screws was here, these screws. Okay, so now I'm going to open it and check inside what is the problem. So in this way we can open our, so this is our rotor now is remaining. Okay, so this is the rotor. So we'll check. Okay, so our rotor is damaged, you can see here. Okay, so it means because this rotor was the making the frictions with this, so this rotor is touching this body inside. So it's too much dust and scratches inside. So this was the problem. Therefore my rotor was become heated too much. So you can see this damage. This rotor was touching the body of the starter motor. So this was the problem. And here this commutator is okay, that's not problem, but I have show you backside. So it's mean my router is damaged, it's not repairable. I not want to take a risk to fix it back, so I will order new starter motor and fix the generator and let. So I just open it. This one also. So this my, so here you saw the carbon brushes also okay, everything is okay. The problem just only the router is damaged. Therefore I ordered another starter motor that will come and fix back. You can see this starter motor is not able to fix back to the starter motor, this is damaged. So I'm waiting for another starter motor that will. So here's this one is a starter motor which is came from my head office, and this one's the old one with whose router is damaged. So this one has come. Now I will fix this starter motor to my genset and I will check it. So I'm going to fix it. So here you can say I am fixing this starter motor to genset. This is not a new one, this is a old one, it's a repaired one. It came from my head office, so therefore I'm going to fix it. Okay, so now I have tight its bolt. Okay, now is electrical wiring are remaining. So now here's now is ready everything. All cables I have fixed it back. Connection, battery connections are okay. Now I'm going to start the genset. Now its generator is ready. Now power has come here. Now we're going to start. As you saw why this starter motor was becoming hot and not give power to engine to start. Actually the router was touching to the body of the starter motor. So if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.